Hi guys, this is Manish and in today's video we're going to look at this Mi Super Bass wireless headphones. We're going to see what are the components which we are getting inside the box, how smooth it can easily connect to with the phone, and what sort of the first impression which we are getting it in the listening department from this Mi Super headphones. So without wasting time, let's just start it with the video. So these are the Super Bass wireless headphones from the Mi. It has a 20 hours of playback time as written over the box. It has a 40mm dynamic driver, light and comfortable fit. It is connected by the Bluetooth 5.0. Over the box you can write an overhead innovation for everyone. On the side you are able to see the Mi Super Bass wireless headphones, and beneath that you are able to see the product description, the product name, and over there price is written is over of 21,999, but on the Amazon sale or over on the normal days you can get it around 1800 rupees. This box contains one headphones and one usual manual and one charging cable and one aux cable. This is the specialty of this headphones, that you can connect it with the Bluetooth, plus you can connect it with the wire and can use it as a normal headphones even if your battery runs out from this Bluetooth wireless headphones. So let me just quickly open up the box for you guys. As soon as you open up the box, you're able to see the headphones. This is the basic headphones which you're able to see, and this is your normal connecting cables and your normal USB charging point over here and some usual manuals. If you want it, I can just show you right now that what are the ports which we are getting, whether we are getting the Type-C charging point over here or just we are getting the normal USB port. So this is over here, you can see this is the normal USB port which you are getting it with this Bluetooth headphones, and this is your aux cable which you are getting it. This is just a normal aux cable which you can connect it to your normal headphones and then to your normal audio jack of your smartphones. But nowadays most of the smartphones are coming without the headphone jack, so it's as normal that you will be able to use your headphones only for the wireless purpose. So let me just quickly unbox this headphones for you guys, and as usually I just take it out. So over the first impression, the quality seems to be very much good as expected from the Mi. And just do the overview. These are the buttons, a normal sort of a plastic buttons which we are getting it. This is your power on and off button, and beneath that we are able to see the charging point which is your normal of USB port, and it can normally plug into any charging port, whether it's from the computer or whether it is the normal charging port which you're using it to charge your smartphones. This is the aux cable which you can connect it using this. So these are all the first overviews, and even though if you want to enlarge it, you can enlarge it like this. So I don't think that the head will be much larger than this. So this is a sort of a great thing which we are getting it with the Mi. So let me just quickly pair it and show you that how it is going to be started. So for the starting purpose, you need to press this power on and off button till a blue light is started blinking. You are able to see that blue light is now started blinking over here. So this shows that now it's been ready to pair. So over here you can see I have just bought my smartphone, and here is showing the Mi Super Bass wireless headphones. I'm connecting it and just getting it pairing. As soon as it got paired, you're able to see the battery percentage over here. So one of the great things now which is coming with this any sort of a wireless headphones, that is showing you the battery percentage over here. You can use these headphones even for the calls and audio purposes, which is normally for your music. So quickly let me just play music from the vlog normal copyright music, which is our favorite to test our music on this sort of. So we're just turning out the vlog no copyright music, and let's play this our desire. So you can able to hear the clear music from this Mi Super wireless headphones, and even the sound quality seems to be very much great. So here I'm just listening it to you for the couple of seconds over here. So that's the first impression from this MI Super Wireless headphones. Just to tell you a couple of things more over here, the bass quality seems to be very much great into this MI Super Wireless headphones. Even the cushions over for the ears are very much smooth and is not being able to produce any sort of problems to your ears. And moreover, it can be easily washable if you want to wash it just with a piece of a cloth. So that's all from the first unboxing of this MI Super Bass wireless headphones. So if you like this video, give a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. This is Manish and I see you all in the next video.